بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله الذي خلق النوى والحب وأنشأ الحيوان بقدرته ودب وبناه فأحسن تدبيره حين رب. أما إنعامه فلم ينس في البحر الحوت وفي البر الضب. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له شهادة اجتمع بها مراد التوحيد واستتب. وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله وأجيب عنه لكل من عابه وسب. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. وعلى أبي بكر الذي خلق صافيا ولب. وعلى أبي بكر الذي خلق صافيا ولب. وعلى عمر الذي قمع كل جبار على الكفر فأكب وكب. وعلى عثمان المناجي طويل ليلته مناجاة الصب. وعلى علي أشجع من هامال للإسلام ودب. وسلم صلاتك على التابعين بإحسان يا رب. وبعد, before I'm talking what I'm need, all of you, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. By repeatedly, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, when we're talking about the history of Ustad Sheikh Adam Hussein Amir, another history of Sheikh Saeed Mahmoud Muhammad, another student of Muslim, keeping Holy Quran on their mind. Okay, our Sheikh Adam Hussein Amir, just he is famous and popular, especially he is a grammar of Holy Quran. Okay, and also is contribute a lot of students and other students just like Mujib, Anas Muhammad Al-Harari, and also Sheikh Adam Hussein. Just he is contribute like scholar Mana Hassan. He is recite from Sheikh Adam Hussein Amir, and also just Sheikh Muhammad Hussein Muddin Markaza Abdullah ibn Abbas Al-Basasi, and also have a congratulations after 15 days you are so with them. Okay, and also just who is now, and also who is someone who's teaching a student without money accept Sheikh Adam. Just he didn't have any money. He's reciting without any money. That's for the sake of Allah, for the sake of God only. He's reciting Holy Quran for the sake of God only. You know, you didn't saw, and also I didn't saw anyone like him. Okay, if I talking from the history of Sheikh Saeed Mahmoud Muhammad, just he was born in Bala East in a Jara region in a Savoge zone. Okay, and also we have congratulated today within us. The student is like that. Just he is after passing a lot of challenge, after passing a lot of problem. Just they are today congratulated within us, all of you, and also all of them. Allah is great paradise for them. Okay, if I talking from the student of they are keeping Holy Quran on their mind, just as our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, that someone who is in need from the knowledge of religion, they are going on the wing of angel. You are now on the hadith, all of you. And also just, if you are look them, you are now as they are beautiful. Okay, and also who is now the role of hadith, the role of just our religion. You have to know, and you don't forget, as life is test, and as Islam is best, as Salat is must, as Quran is just, Akhirah for rest. You don't forget, لا بد من الحزن لكي نعرف السعادة ومن الضوضاء لكي نقدر الهدوء ومن الغياب لكي ندرك قيمة الحضور. If take is sadness, you have to know happiness. If take is noise, you are silent. If take is absence, you know the value of presence. You don't forget that. But if you are have a target, if you are a goal, you get whatever you need. But without a target, without goal, if there is nothing. And also my last chance is just all of you. Don't extravagant your time. Don't sell yourself shortly. لا تستسلم أبدا في الحياة. فقط ثق بنفسك. As Somalian people say, ولقان ولا شهك كوسن سببتو أهوت ولبواسور تقل Clear way to Naftare. All of you, never give up, and all of you keep it up. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jalqaba dubbi kooti isan jalqabu undur sawa undati kanafan jalqabe maqaa rabbiitiin kanafan jalqabe maqaa rabbiitiin walalon kiyalle waa'ee quraanaati gurranaaf kenna osoo hin jenne dhiiraaf dubartii gurranaaf kenna osoo hin jenne dhiiraaf dubartii quraana jechuun bar jecha rabbiiti kan inni buuse nabi muhammaditti bara 1400 duratti bara 1400 duratti isatu asgare hanga afati ummata baase wallaala keessa gama ifaati alhamdulillah galanni gasaati alhamdulillah galanni gasaati quraana jechuun dawa oli kan seenee baasu qoma namaa keessa shirkii fi siiri kan seenee baasu qoma namaa keessa shirkii fi siiri kota hagaraanu numartuu quraana lafzii qofaa miti itti daballee maana isa qabannee bakka kumne kana isa qabannee bakka kumne kana kawaye quraana asumatan dhaaba waa'ee ustaaza diko adubadha daqiiqa muraasaaf qalbiin nazaqasa daqiiqa muraasaaf qalbiin nazaqasa isaan nama akkam dheeramoo qabaaba lakka dheeraa miti giddu galeessa nama sirri beeku karoora waa mara nama sirri beeku karoora waa mara beekumsas feenaan jira goma isaanii ilmii qofaa miti idilee wajjin kunis kennaa rabbiiti kan hundaa olii rabbiin waa dheeressu umrii isaanii rabbiin waa dheeressu umrii isaanii قبل علماء بيقتضى إسلاما كان نفيبسو حراما في حلالا كان تاي برسيسو كوان بين مرا كان داوا فتاسو بيوتا هندرا رب واقوتو فوان سايا دمرا رب واقوتو فوان سايا دمرا كيسموني كنا ديكا في قدالين بدا نودفتني كيرو في كارين اسناركو كنا في نوفي ساميلي اسناركو كنا في نوفي ساميلي إبي كنا أولي مال تجراري إبي كنا أولي مال تجراري kanninya ciftani akan ubaran nubira dhaabbatanii rakkoo keessa mara rabbitti hirkiftanii haadha gammachuusanii asii walgeettanii rabbi sinaa laalu ija rahmataatiin rabbi sinaa laalu ija rahmataatiin akkuma nyaanni tolle soogidda malee namni siin tolu beekaadhaan malee kahaa barannu harka wal qabanne wanta rabbiin jedhe itti dalaynee haraama irraa sirri fagaanne akkana tolti diiniif duniyaalleen akkana tolti diiniif duniyaalleen ولله يلي أسمتن دابا دكون كركو إرنا نفترا كنا دكيفتن سر غلطوما مداكو بربانا مدسر جدما